cave in rural Wyoming lies a time capsule from the Ice Age. It contains not one, but two super-sized mammals who once ruled North America. Ferocious beasts who dwarf even the most powerful predators of today. Now, new discoveries bring to life these true Ice Age monsters. They're the Earth's first fighters, the ultimate predators. New discoveries in forensic science bring to life the prehistoric art of war. This is Jurassic Fight Club. Soaring temperatures top 90 degrees on the plains. Extinction is enveloping Earth. Few large plant eaters are left.
We're coming to the end of the Pleistocene, the end of the Ice Age. The environments are changing and animals are pretty stressed. The lion is having a difficult time finding enough food to keep him alive. He's been very lucky that a bison wandered in close enough for him to attack, and he made it vital for the lion because the lion's literally at the end of his rope.
The lion is primarily an ambush hunter. Its great size would seem to make it hard to hide, but it is perfectly suited for its environment. Its coloring matches the brush. It moves silently on padded feet and is able to motions for hours. When it strikes, it is lightning quick. The bear would smell its prey first. Then, once he had it in sight, he would wait for it to enter striking distance.
The bear's taking advantage of the wind. He's coming from downwind. The lion doesn't pick up his scent. He has no idea he's being stalked. The bear is moving up slowly, using trees to help break up the scent.
The bear moves in short bursts of speed. He does not have the heat. Shrinking control lenses also allow him to assess the situation to make sure he's not headed into an ambush. His first option is to scare a rival predator away and take its prey.
The lion has to have this meal. His life depends on it. The bear comes bursting out of the grove of trees, roaring at the top of his lungs at a full gallop faster than a modern horse. The lion turns to face this attack. The bear expects the lion to run, but the lion doesn't. The lion stands his ground.
Bears in our own time are designed to hibernate. In the Ice Age, there were no seasonal weather changes. The bear ate the same amount year-round, giving it an insatiable need to hunt.
Nearly 11 meters. He's a massive animal, and he's very intimidating. The lion, normally, this would be enough for him to turn tail and run. But he can't. He cannot afford to leave this prey.
The Ice Age set off all species. Animals moved north. Swifter animals that were more difficult